I think this is going to be my first ever overnight bus trip in the Philippines, if not Asia. Hello folks and welcome to today's video. We're going to be leaving BGC and heading to a city called Vigan City that's going to take 11 hours to get there using the Partas bus. But first, I need to get myself a grab taxi from the high street to go to the Pasay terminal and get myself a ticket there. Not sure if it's going to be possible, but let's get going because my grab taxi is waiting for me behind One Central Mall. I've got my things packed here and we are ready to go. Oh hey! Hello. Okay, thank you boss. Let me just get my things from back. Alright, I made it to Partas bus terminal, which is right in front of me here. And boy, is it busy. Jesus Christ, it's so loud. Okay, well, how do I even go inside? Do I go in through here or through here? Maybe it's up this way. No idea what I'm doing right now. It's the first time I've been to this bus terminal. I don't usually come here to go north, I usually go to Cubao. So entrance with ticket only to the right, ticket area here. Sorry. Okay, and we want to go to Vigan, but there should be like a 9 p.m. Vigan bus. Oh, it looks like they've changed it, it's 10 p.m. Let me ask. Hello Paul, I want to go to Vigan.
Vigan?
Yeah.
9 p.m. the next one.
Okay, that's fine. Just one. Makano po? 1040. Oh, 940. Thank you, Salamat. Thank you very much. Okay, this is our ticket, folks. And actually, I was correct. The online information says that the next bus to Vigan is indeed at 9 p.m. So we're running on time. Hello, how are you?
Vigan, 9
Thank you. 9 p.m. Yeah? Do you know what platform, ma'am?
9 p.m. 8:30
What platform? Maybe there's only one bus terminal and they all appear here. I think so. What's convenient about this bus station is that there's a Jollibee right behind us, so if you're hungry, you can get some food here. Now, where do I find a seat? It is rammed. Okay, so I've somehow managed to find a seat and I've got about 50 minutes until my Partas bus departs for Vigan. So according to the official website from Partas, they say it takes around about 11 to 12 hours to go from here all the way to Vigan. So I'm getting the bus at 9 p.m, which means I'm going to be sleeping on this bus and arriving the next day at around about 8 or 9 a.m. It's going to be a rough night, as I'm going to be sleeping on the bus, but it saves me a night's accommodation. There is the option to get an early morning bus, I believe, or like an afternoon bus, but then I'll be arriving there around about 1 or 2 a.m. I think this is going to be my first ever overnight bus trip in the Philippines, if not Asia. I've done one in Europe before, but never in Asia. So yeah, I think we're going to title this video, First Time Taking an Overnight Sleeper Bus in the Philippines. I don't know. Now, I did have dinner, and what I had for dinner was Shake Shack. That's why I started the video on the high street. But there's a sari-sari store right in front of me. Actually, there's 2 or 3 of them. And I'm wondering if I should go grab something from there now. But gosh, I'm really hoping there's not going to be any crying kids on my bus ride to Vigan because it's going to be one rough night. Man, Vigan? 9 p.m? Okay. Where? I'm kind of confused where to go. Vigan? Yeah, okay. Vigan? Vigan? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Vigan?
Vigan Katulan?
Yeah. I have a laptop in here. Can I bring inside? It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, Lan. Hi. Thank you. Wait. Okay, it looks like I can pick anywhere to sit. Now, where am I going to sit? Maybe here? This looks like the place with the most legroom. Right, let me pop this bag up here. I wonder if I can also pop my suitcase up there. No, I don't think it's possible. Probably try underneath the seat. That seems to have worked and we're off on it. Look at this. Alright. And the trip to Vegan begins. It's pronounced vegan. Sorry, not vegan. I keep saying vegan, but it's pronounced like vegan as if like you're on a vegan diet. Let me try and open this. So it's pretty cool on this bus. It's not super cold right now, but it might get a lot colder during midnight. I'll give you an update as to what the temperatures are like on the bus. As you can see, I'm wearing nothing but shorts and a t-shirt, and this is what I'm going to be wearing the entire... Oh, we just stopped abruptly. I think we haven't set off yet. I think they're just maneuvering the bus to allow for other buses to come in, etc., to make way and give space. I actually thought earlier there wasn't any allocation of seats, but when I've checked my ticket, it says the number 32, and I just so happen to be sitting in seat number 31 and 32. And what prompted me to check whether I've got a seat number is I saw so many people getting on the bus, and everybody was like having a look at the seat numbers, which made me think maybe there is some sort of seat allocation, to which I think there is. But I hope I'm sitting in the right seat. I mean, I think my seat is there, but if somebody's got 31, I'll just move along.
Where are you heading to?
Huh?
Where are you heading to?
Vegan?
Vegan?
You? Hung where?
Bangar.
Oh.
It's like 3 hours from Vegan.
Oh, really? So it's even further than Vegan? How long is that going to take? 14 hours?
To Vegan?
No, to where you're going.
Maybe 7 to 8 hours. If it is traffic. If it's not traffic,
Really?
it's 6.
So how long to Vegan?
Vegan, it's
Right now?
right now it's 7 plus 3, so probably like 9 to 10.
Yeah, it's... Oh, okay.
9 to
So
10
you're saying
hours.
3 to 4 hours from Vegan, right?
In my place.
In your place.
Yeah.
But from here, it's like 14.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You had me worried there. I was worried I was going to show up to Vegan in 3 or 4 hours in the middle of the night. Huh?
Why are you alone?
Because I'm a vlogger. Are you alone? Are you alone?
Yeah.
Oh. There you go,
Where
man. Ah, the UK.
you from?
Yes.
Gone.
Thanks. Well, folks, we pretty much departed exactly at 9 p.m. It's going to be an 11-hour trip. This bus is completely rammed. There isn't a single seat on this bus that is not occupied. I'll give you an update when we've made significant progress. But for now, I'm going to try and get a bit of sleep, try and nap a little bit, and see where we end up. Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Going to Makati, that's why you see the building.
Okay folks, we've reached our first rest station. The time is exactly midnight, and it looks like there's some more stores here at this rest area. Are these considered sari stores? I'm not sure. But I've got my laptop in my hand here, been editing today's video, and I think I'm about halfway through. I hope my battery lasts me so that I can finish the vlog on the bus to Vegan. But 4 hours in, is it 4 or 3? Actually 3 hours in, we've still got another 8 hours to go. I really wonder, folks, how many times we're going to stop along the way to Vegan. This rest area is only for Partas buses because I see the logo of Partas everywhere. Look, Partas there, Partas over here. Maybe it's only a dedicated Partas rest area and terminal. Hello. Shout out. Thank you. Oh, this is the Ilocos, is it? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wow, this Partas bus came all the way from Cubao. Right, now let's have a look at what you can buy to eat here. We got some shao pao on the right here. We got some shao mai as well. Got some skewers. Is this pork or pork, is it? And then some sausages as well that are being grilled right in front of you. And then over here, there's this really interesting soup. Ma'am, what soup is that?
It's called arroz caldo.
Oh, what?
Arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo. And what is it?
It's It's rice,
Uh-huh.
rice, and it has chicken inside.
It's boiled rice.
Yes.
So it's like a porridge
Yeah, it's something.
with chicken inside. Oh, okay. How much is it, Makano?
It's 65.
65. Okay, all right, thank you. Sarap? Masarap? Yeah? Oh, okay. Huh. She's the woman earlier that we were speaking to on the bus. What should I go with? Oh. Hello, ma'am. Masarap? Smells good. Makano po? 50 for one, yeah? Okay. Pay here, yeah? Do you have any sauce? Ketchup, yeah? That's okay. Put some ketchup on that. Whee! Okay. Do I need to put calamansi on it or no? I'm sorry I made a mess. Any tissue? Thank you, thank you. You know, the cup I don't need. I'll just get it like this. I'm not gonna lie, trying to eat a skewer with a laptop in my hand and vlog at the same time is almost an impossible feat. Let me go sit down somewhere and have this sausage. I'll sit right here. Yes, on this little bench here where everyone else is sitting and dig into the sausage. It's pretty masarap. 50 pesos for a sausage. A bit pricey, but we need to make money somehow. It's about $1 for a sausage. I wonder if there's going to be more rest areas like this along the way, because it is a very long ride. But as soon as I'm done with my vlog, I'm just going to fall asleep and close my eyes and wake up when I get to Vigan, hopefully. Well, folks, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video here. The next video which you see, I hopefully will be in Vigan City. But folks, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care and bye for now.